Hello everyone, good evening. So I have received query from Rahul, one query which is genuine one, that how we can create a website, right? By using this Wix.com. So almost every portal become now the same scenario. Every portal is following. It may be Wix, it may be uh, GoDaddy, whatever you are using. But the thing is what they are now coming up with the AI integration, right? Preeti, have you tried to create a website? Okay, okay. Uh, I would like to see the link. If you can share the link with me on WhatsApp, I want to see that, and I can suggest you that what need to be done, or you can share the link into the chat box as well, right? No problem. Don't worry. Uh, at least you have started. That is very good thing. Initiative is what it is very difficult to start the things. The thing is what we always think that we want to start this and this and this, and we are not going to start at all. So I appreciate the thing that you have taken the first step towards that. So first thing, if you have taken the first step, it may be bad or good, let it be, no problem. And we together we can make a very good website. No issue on that. So thing is what, at least you should start. Once you create by your hand, then you start facing the problem and note down that problem, text it to me. So that can be done. Okay, that this is the page you have created. I'm just opening that page. Yes, it is good. No, okay, okay. You have posted something as well, right? And there is YouTube Shorts as well. Okay, it is searching. I think you have deleted the short, right? No problem. It looks pretty good. And a few information you have also put in. That is a WordPress, right? And I need to check that blog. Very good. Very good. So the key thing I would like to tell you, everyone, this is fantastic. This is at this start the image you have set up over on the top. That is fantastic, Preeti, and very well effort taken. So I'm really like glad to see that. So I always love to see the content of my learners who have created that. And I want to tell you, if you are very much good in creating these pages, website, or running the ads, like in the last session I have discussed with you that I have even shown you that how we can create a paid ad on Facebook. So hardly it will take 179 rupees, I think, right? Ah, this is for your clothing brand. Yes, why I have given you a clothing brand? Because that is in the trend. Very good. So I can. The reason why this change is so. Yes, the reel I have gone through, it is also good. So that way, think innovative in that way and start searching for the product. The first thing I have told you that before developing anything, you need to check with the existing one, right? Who are the competitors, right? And what they are doing. So you have a like sample that what need to be done. So you being a digital marketing expert, you find out that what they are not doing and which is good for that. So in that case, you can do the things and include in your content and start chasing them. So I for sure my basic concern is what, when you start getting the leads from your reels or your Facebook page or your website, that means now you are become little bit professional, right? So how much time it will take to monetize a blog, how much time it will take to monetize a YouTube channel, how much time it can you generate income from Facebook page. These are some questions which you get to know once you start in creating the interesting content. So last time I told you to create a fashion brand, and for that we need to start with the like to see that what others are doing, what other competitors are doing in the market, and go through that website and try to design first at that level, then then add next like you can say your tadka into that, and once you add your tadka into that, that will become fabulous, right? So the thing is what, when we start working with a client, so what happen, we start to uh, publish the thing which I like. The most important concept in digital marketing, always give which user like, right? So it is not based on you, what user like. So it is basically your customers, it is basically your users. So you should know, you cannot add your flavor into that, like what you like. So always try to understand the customer, always try to understand the market, always try to understand the competitors. The first step when you go ahead with this any digital marketing thing, the what is the basic thing why we are doing so much of creating ads on Facebook, why we have created Instagram channel, why we have created a YouTube channel, why we have created a Facebook page, why we are running paid ad, what is the need of that? So first thing we want to capture the leads, and these leads need to be converted into the customer, and these customer need to be converted into a loyal customer, right? So most of you are using Amazon, right? Preeti, Rahul, you are using both Amazon, I think. In the beginning when you have started buying the things, right, from Amazon, you have a doubt whether our product is going to be delivered or not, right? So slowly the trust and on that, on this thing start building up, right? Now Misho comes into the market, right? Have you brought up any product from, have you taken any product from Misho? Say yes or no. Yes, Preeti. And what about you, Rahul? No. So I want to know, Preeti, what is difference between when you are buying a product from Amazon as a user experience, or while you are buying a product from uh, Misho.com? So my experience is what, you also can type your experience here in the chat box. I love to see that. My experience is what it the Misho is like quality and price on Amazon, right? Just yeah. With Misho, my experience is what it is like a flea market, which give you price like your nearby shop. It lot of products in the same category are available on Misho on the same price. Sometimes it is lesser than that, and that price is biggest thing which attracts anyone, right? So when you receive a product, the quality of the product is not up to the mark in that case. So when it is not up to the mark, and you got an average product with the Misho, so anybody can come, lot of people are coming. So it is like a local market where you love to buy everything. Sometimes you want to buy from the roadside thing. So all the stuff, all the products you are getting on Misho. But there is a quality standard with Amazon and Flipkart. I cannot say for Flipkart, but for Amazon, the trust is more. I think that is my perception, but that may change. So the thing is, what they check the quality, they check the things, they take user feedback seriously, and they work on that. Remember one thing, taking user feedback on your system is a most important thing. Then and only you can, this is the only way you can understand where you are lacking behind, and what thing need to be improved in your system. So there are a lot of AI tools coming in the market, but I don't think so personal touch can be there. So it should be there, I think. That is why they have kept the option into the AI bot, like you can talk with their agents as well. So this option is there as well. So the thing is what? So it is all about user centric thing. So you are developing content for your users, not for you. So why don't you get views on one video and another video get more views? What is the reason behind this? Can you tell me? Suppose you have posted a reel, and the same thing you have posted on some again, or the little bit change, the same thing, like something like that. So why you are not getting views? What are the reasons that you are not getting views on your videos? Just list it down. Whatever comes in your mind, just write in the chat box. I love to see that what you are thinking, why you are not getting the views on your videos. What are the reason behind that? Then only you can work on that. So Preeti or Rahul, can you type something on this? My question is, why a video not getting views, and what is the reason? What do you think? It's about the quality of the video. It's about that what the product video content. So how would you understand that which content is better? Yes, you are right, Rahul. Video content. Video content as per the theme you want to deliver. Like, right, you want to deliver a fashion product, and if it is represented in a better way or in more enhanced way, so that could be better and that can be reached to the multiple users. The thing is what? How you are representing the thing. Then quality comes, right? So quality of the video, the editing part, the content part, everything comes into the picture. And slowly that become a big challenge for any content creator. Yes, Rahul is saying adding some interesting and uh, eye-catching presentation. Very good. Yes. Proof title and thumbnail. That is very good for videos, right? You are absolutely right. And also the music you are adding, that plays a very important role. Just check out, which I personally experienced this. Just check out if your a transaction matching with the music, right? So it impacts more directly to the so uh, that impacts more on, you can say, subconsciously on on the user, and they love to see that the transaction something like that. So that happens so many time. And see reels, just to I am not in the favor of watching reels and spending more hours on that, but I am in the favor of, if you want to develop a content and you are watching the reels, that how I can create a eye catching content, right? So if you are watching for that, that is fantastic thing you are doing. Keep doing that, because until unless you are not aware about the current trends and the viral things in the market, or so you are not, you cannot develop a sustainable business in today's. So it should be reached to the multiple people. There are so many factors, and once you start doing that, you get to know about it automatically. Don't see any videos, because a lot of videos are there, you will get millions of views in a day. No. If you are doing this, it will hardly take 1 month, your dedication. If you dedicatedly start developing the content, you will get to know about the things that we think is wrong, what wrong you are doing. So content creation, do that. Today we are going for initial content, which is website. I'm going to take this again. It is very simple, and how you can design a impressive website within few hours, I can say. If I say that it would website would be developed within a minute, yes, it can be, but no, if you are not having the proper data, proper images for the product and what category. So today I'm going to explain you this fashion brand again, and then how we are going to create a website. So that way, and also how we are going to add a product, how we are going to modify a product, how we are going to launch a sale about the product. So, and how we are going to create that it could be added to the cart and for the payment gateway. But payment gateway, you need to pay for that if you would like to configure a payment gateway. So you need to configure that with your current account, and then it can be synced with that. But approximately 80% website, I can teach you that how can you develop as a layman, right? So I think you all are interested to see that, Dhananjay, Preeti, and Rahul. So let me share my screen with you. Give me a second. Yeah. So this is a platform of Wix, and there you need to log in with your email account, whatever account you're having. So I continue with my Google account. If I'm, let me see that. Uh, I log in that. So these two things you need to do: configure, connect with uh, your email account, and verify your mobile number with that. So it's about like I'm not having any site over there. So it's a fresh account, I think. So so it is easy to explain you that how we can do that. So whenever you want to create a website, you need to go to the Wix. Just I need to click on edit site. There is a sample website, but I'm not going to deal with this. I need to delete this. So you need to open that account that which so you want to search for the template. We are going to develop a fashion website. Inside, so we go for fashion boutique. So we can see the templates here, and you need to just select the template. I go with this. You can generate that website with AI also. Last time I have shown you that how we can do that. This way you are going to get the entire website, right? So here you can give some enhance your AI content if you want to give some detail about it, like or you can take something from ChatGPT as well. But So these are the some AI tools added with that. So more you do with that, it will you can add it these menus as well. It is quite easy. Just so anything you want to add, you can do that. So basic thing, I will tell you that how you are going to manage the CMS. So these are some options to site design. If there are some apps you want to add into it, chat apps and a lot of apps are there, you can do that. It's a basic editable menu where you can add. The thing is what you want to change this, so you can change that. That you can do. So we just need to click on publish. And once you publish this today, right? So it will be published, but it will be published with the okay. Yeah. So that is a basic template which you can refer, or you can change the color theme or whatever you want to do that. And there are sections like women and men. So you can go with that. These price editing, everything is editable. I will show you that. So there are options to add cart. Once that you buy, you can go with the view cart option as well. And you can go check out. So right now this is not published enough. Like we have not having any domain here. So how we can edit this website? So let us see that. So it always give you edit in for a mobile website. So the website which we are right now able to see, that is desktop website, and you also can configure your mobile website from here as well. So once by default it give you this view, right? If you want to edit anything into this, so anything into this you can edit. Like you don't want this color and for mobile website, but I think color should be remain same. So this looks like this on mobile phone. What is the time for displaying website? If we so you need to check that whether this website is heavy or not. That I will tell you later that how we can check that. So here you have connect to domain option. That means it is asking if you have already a domain with that, so you can connect with that domain. So we have a domain that is available fashiontoday.com, right? So there are multiple options with that. Fashiontoday.co.in, biz info, online org, shop, or a store, and anything. So if you want to go with this domain, you need to just click on get it. Once you get it, it will start showing that get the domain with a premium plan or buy a domain only. So what premium plan it includes on the left side, it includes your hosting also. So you can go ahead with that also. You can link it. You only can buy the domain as well, and later on you can buy the hosting. And what is hosting? If anybody can explain me what I mean by hosting. Actually, the website is a content, right? Yeah, publishing a website. What is What is that technically? I'll explain it to you. Uh, there is a space on a server, so it might be 1 GB, 2 GB, or something like that. So on that much of content you can put on the server, and that these content are always available with your visitors of the website anytime, right? So more space you want, like dynamic space you want, so there are some plans for that. So accessing the content from a web server, so where we you store the content, that is called hosting, right? And the domain is a name that you have taken, and that is completely unique, which is called URL also. Uniform resource locator. Domain name is called URL. Basically, the domain name you see on the screen, like you can see on the top, this editor.wix.com. It's a replica. It's a masking of the IP address. So every domain is accessed by the IP address only. So that is a technical detail, but the domain name access this stored data. So it is a name for calling you, like I'm calling you by your name, like Dhananjay and Rahul and Priti. So these are the things that I'm calling you by name, and you understood that someone is calling me and I need to go there, right? Or I need to respond accordingly. So that way domain name is there, and your body, entire body is having everything about the data. So that is your hosting, so that you need to buy separately. So once we click with that, it will show you multiple option that you need to understand that what it mean exactly. So 100 collaborators, unlimited storage space. So that space I'm talking about. Advanced marketing suite, 1 year. So you are getting domain for 1 year, right? Except payment is there. Wow, it is good. Advanced e-commerce, it will give you tools to configure your e-commerce platform, advanced developer platform. So this is a business elite program for which you have to spend 1,800 every month, right? And for business grow plan 900, you can compare these plan. 10 collaborators, 100 GB storage is there, standard marketing suite. So initially, when you go with that, if you are working for a company and you know that that company is going to be big, you should go with this program, business program, which is quite good thing, I think. For you got a lot of things into that. 100 GB is for storing a web data. It's a very pretty good space, and I think it is not going to be exhausted for 5 years, next 5 years. And once you want to buy anything, a product, this hosting and all, buy it for longer time. If you think that that is going to be a longer time, then you can buy. This plan is also good. So you are having from 1 year free domain, accept payments, including in that. But this light plan, you are not having this payment option there. So it is half of that. This is also good. So you are getting 50 GB space. Again, it is a good space. If you are managing your videos with some other platform like YouTube and all, if you are directly uploading your videos to this space, so that space is going to be exhausted because you are going to upload high quality video over there. So never upload your videos on the website or hosting. Just try to keep that somewhere and access by the mostly companies are doing their videos, keeping their videos on YouTube only. So once you select any of the program, let's see that what happens. So they are saying that you can save 10,800 when you are going for a 3 year program, or 2 year yearly or monthly. So monthly you have to spend 600, yearly you have to spend 500 for 12 months, and for 2 years 350, and for 3 year 300 rupees for 36 months. So I always suggest go with that, right? Once you go with continue to check out, so it shows you the summary that how much it costs around. I think with that plan and with the payment gateway you are having with that, so it is a best deal I think you are getting here. So for 3 years you are like no worries about anything. So I think it is good thing which you can do. And once you add your credit card here, so it will be, you can set up that automated payment can be done with that, or it give you a reminder, and you got a reminder, and then you can change the payment mode. So it stores, it saves your credit card information. Remember that. So that can be done. So I have taken here. So when you go with that, it will enter your purchase detail, and you get that everything. Once you get that, so you understood the difference between these plans and all. So these plans are with hosting, right? So you need not to buy the separate thing. So I think this plan is good if anybody want to buy this. This is basic e-commerce, this standard e-commerce. You can go with that if you are in a mood of like finally I want to do the business. So you can go with this program also, this price range also, and buy for longer time. This is my request for you. So then when you do this all this thing, so you are now so we can publish this mobile website also, and it's done now. So you can see the mobile site, and this is the QR for your site website, and you can use it for your give you want to give this QR to anyone, so they are able to open the website, right? So this way you can do the things. Now we go that how we can manage the CMS. So this is the mm, business service. Just a minute. You can see a lot of options are there. Image with AI, Vimeo, video live streaming. A lot of things are there you can do with that. So even once you try to explore this, you will get a lot of things. In SEO section, you get everything that how you can configure your Google Search Console. I have given you the explanation about it. I think you are aware about it. Yes or no? Type in the chat box, please. Yes or no? Google Search Console. In blogging section, I told you that how you can do that. So I'm adding the SEO details. You can see that. So here you can add the keyword by separating by. So you need to add 5 keywords here, right? So I just need to check that. Okay, if you are aware about this, so it's good. So these keywords I have added 5. You can add. So I go with that. You can get the keyword with AI also. So you can see that it gives you some options here, right? To configure everything. So it asking for Google Search Console. Connect now. So for that, you need to learn why it is important. So here that shows it's not asking for something. So this way your website is going to look like on Google. So one by one, you need to go with the options. What is meta description? Just type into chat box, what is meta description? You can see one keyword should be there. Read carefully, right? And this also can be done by, if you want to take time to write every SEO information. It is very important because on these bases, on these keyword bases, your website is going to be searched on Google. So, and if you are doing this, so it helps you to at least a keyword. Okay. It is asking to put that in your editor tab, that it should be there. It should be on the page. When it will search on Google, it looks like this. So we do it later on, just after some time, because I need to link the website. That way I will do later on. So here you need to add each and every detail. It is asking for connect to a domain, and it is asking to connect with the Google. Back to checklist before you connect, so that you can do. It is very easy, and you have to clear every step. Once you want to do uh, like complete SEO for a website. So this is very important. Whatever you are writing here, so that is going to represent help you to search your website on the Google. So there is an option here, so you can directly go with that. Some options are for mobile website SEO, site speed. You can check here that what is the site speed of, which I was talking about, because it is very important for mobile users. You can uptime the security. You can run the security test also. Mobile app, logo and brand. You can you always have a clear logo of your brand that you upload here, and once you upload here, it will be reflected on the every pages, right? So these small things are there. You will get the analytics on real time once you add this with the Google Analytics account. So I told you that how to handle the Google Analytics account. I will show you something on my Google Analytics account, just how you are going to get the record. So I'll open that here. Just a minute. So now you get to know everything is linked, right? So initially, what when I'm showing it to you, so it is linked together. Now everything is coming here on this page. So you can see the property I have added to the Google account, one of my Google account, analytics account. So I get a lot of details, a lot of reports from that. You can see this is for my LMS, which you people are using. I have linked that with this, and I get lot of lead, link details of the users, that from which city people are visiting my website. So this information can help me to put my ad forward on a Facebook page for a particular city, right? If people are visiting, a lot of people are visiting from Pune, Mumbai, Bangalore, Nagpur, so I can put forward, come up forward with the ad proposition. I can invest more into the posting ad in Mumbai, like I'm having 4.6K visitors from here and total users are 20K. You will get a lot of details here. At what time, so that can help you to analyze that, and you can see the traffic acquisition, direct referral, unsigned. A lot of things are there, and you keep it over. And organic, you can see organic social here. So a lot of things on which page people are visiting. So you can refer that page for in your ad also. So one thing I would like to tell you, create a Wix website. Do everything which I'm telling you. Don't buy a domain for that. You can now that they're having monthly option also. If you want to learn, you can invest with that, and you can buy this. Sorry, where is that? It is here, right? So you can buy the domain with 1 month, and you will learn that how to work with the domain, right? So you get the CMS there. So we'll go there. You need to go with this options: add new service, manage service. So this is for my this is a different website. So here the CMS is opened here, and you can edit a lot of things. So catalog everything. So I need to go with that. Just a minute. I will sites. Even if you have linked with this site with your Google Analytics account, you get all the details here as well. So, and that there as well on the Google Analytics side. So I think everything is clear till now. Just give me a help. Need to open that. I am just yes. And also sometimes Wix sends you email if you are not working well with your this website. So it shows you that you can hire a professional as well. And also you will get a mobile application of Wix with Wix, which can help you to instant notification. If someone visited your website, you get an instant notification on mobile phone that which location, which page he is accessing. So that kind of thing you are having already with every, I think, plan. So if you want to invest with the website, or you want to develop a website, and you want to see that how you can work with that, so it's a request that you can go ahead with this, or you can go ahead with a paid plan with that. Right now, I'm not having any website because every website is for my client portal. So I cannot show you that that client portal from this side, but I think I will buy a domain and link with that. So monthly basis, I can show you that how all the operations are going to work. So these all options are going to work. You can manage your sales, you can manage your catalog from here, like you can manage your products. You can see the products. So here you can edit the product category, you can add the product, lots of things you can do with that. Once you click on any product, you can add the images, you can add more images here, you can add videos, and you can put the already designed functionalities are there. If you want to put any price range here, you want to put it on sale, then how much discount you want to give. So it is having a good CMS with it. Once you start exploring it, so it is going to be reflected. So it's a request to you all that if you want to develop a website, go with that, experience it, and you face any problem here, just let me know. So the thing is what? Go to Wix and try to develop a complete website. It may be a book library, it may be anything, right? So develop a sample website, or you can put a QR code over there for the payment if you don't want to configure your payment module over there. So a lot of options are there that you can do with that. Go ahead with that and try to explore it. So here you can add lot of product information. If you want to add more product information, you can add. It will be directly reflected on the product side. Whenever any user will see that, if you want to see the inventory, you can manage the inventory, even that it is in stock, out stock, how many SKU you are having with that category. You want to design a new category, you can design a new category as well. And if you want to see that how your sales is going to be performed, and if you want to see that your GST information, everything you can see. So it is a full-fledged system. You can see that within a few minutes I have developed a website which is a full-fledged working website for your selling online fashion product. So the same thing you can do with your customer. People are charging a lot of money to design a website. So you find the people, start developing the website, give them the website, and do some SEO stuff with that. Once you do that, then only you are going to learn this. So I hope I am able to explain you in a right way. If still you are having any problem with that, you can ask the questions to me. Now I am open with the question for the questions. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, any of you. So everything is clear. You only need to go to this website wix.com and try to explore the things. This is the only thing. Once you do that, you will learn everything and you come up with a doubt. So I hope for Dhananjay, Rahul, Rohini, Saurav, Priti, you can now, I want to see your website, full-fledged website, right? It should have full functional website, and I want a small presentation of that from everyone. You can share your screen with me, and I'm just watching that what you the way you have designed the website, and if you are ready with this, and if any problem, so I'm always available on chat. You can WhatsApp me, and in next session we can take your queries. Like today, Rahul is having the query with this, that he's not able to develop a website with the Wix. So you can do that, right? Now I think Rahul, you go and develop the website and show it to me. So that's it from my side today. Thank Yes, Rahul, please do that. So that's it from my side today, and thank you so much for patient listening. Thank you so much, learners.